హలో గైస్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు ద న్యూ వీడియో AP5 కర్ణాటక. సో ఫైనల్ అయితే కనుక అన్న ఇచ్చిన మొబైల్కు మనము స్క్రీన్ కవరు, వెనకాల కెమెరా లెన్స్కు ప్రొటెక్షన్, పౌచ్ అన్నీ తీసుకునేదానికి వచ్చేసినాం. అన్న ఇష్టనా ఇది? సో బ్యాక్ కెమెరా గుడ్ అండ్ ఐ విల్ షో యూ. క్లియర్నా? ಏನನ್ನದು
ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ ಲೆನ್ಸ್
ಎಷ್ಟು ಅನ್ನೋದು? అది 650. So this is a camera lens, guys. This one is 650. So we are finally camera lens. So iPhone very important for camera. So that's why we are taking back camera lens. Lens ana? Back camera lens, guys. This is 650. Again, 650. అಷ್ಟేనా? నో గ్లాస్. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಗಾಯ್ಸ್, ಇದು ಗ್ಲಾಸ್, ಗೊರಿಲ್ಲಾ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್, ಕಿಂಗ್ ಗೊರಿಲ್ಲಾ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಗಾಯ್ಸ್. ಅಣ್ಣ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಣ್ಣ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 1300 ಗಾಯ್ಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ a steel plate. It is sound. See, it is steel plate. It is coming like this. ಏನನ್ನ 1300 ಅಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಇದು ಗ್ಲಾಸು? ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನು ಹೊಡೆದಾಗಲ್ಲ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬಿದ್ದಾಗ.
ಆಹಾ. See the glass only for this much of protection this came. So that's why 1300 for glass. So this is glass, guys. Glass is very important for iPhone. So that's why we are taking 1300 Gorilla Glass, that too. So finally we are taking pouch also. So this pouch we are taking because of black. We are black one, right? So that's why this is combination. Is ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಣ್ಣ pouch? 950. Total bill ಹಾಕಿ ಅಣ್ಣ. So finally protection lenses, pouch, Gorilla Glass. Total 2900 guys. So finally mobile one rate and all production is only 2900. We are giving discount, we are getting 2500. So this and all are giving gift to me, Nandan. Say thanks to Nandan. So Nandan is paying right now for this all amount 2500. What? No guys, just we are kidding. After that again I want to give to Nandan because of already given my brother iPhone this one. So this is today vlog. So everyone taking iPhone means be careful because of we are thousands and we are paying, we are taking iPhones. So at least you have to protect our iPhone means you have to put it on money. What one time bro? Right or not? Yeah. So that's why everyone use Gorilla Glass, pouch and backside lenses is very important. So for safety purpose iPhone. So Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, comment, like and share. Thank you for watching this video. Where it will become now? That one. So 2500 కొనేందుకు ముగ్గురికి 3 గిఫ్ట్స్ ఇచ్చాడు అన్న. One for you, one for me. Anna, thank you Anna. Thank you so much. Okay, bye Anna. So this is the free